Okay, good afternoon, YouTubers. My name is Clarence, and this video is replacing the cabin filter on a 2018 Toyota RAV4. This is the vehicle. RAV4 just did the headlight, and now we're going to do the cabin filter. I'm going to try and talk you through it as I replace the filter. Hopefully this won't take too long. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Here's the cabin filter located behind the dash, behind the glove box. I've already removed the items in the glove box. So now we're going to open the glove box up. Here's a shock here. Just gonna pour that piece. I'm gonna pour this shock off. This is a slow release shock that opens the glove box. We're gonna pour that off, and on this side right here, I'm gonna pull in on this, and I'm gonna pull in on this side here. And once I pull in on it, the box drops. Now, I've already disconnected the shock, but once you finish, you got to connect this shock back, okay, which is easy because there's a clip inside. It just goes on to this piece right here. Okay, now the filter itself, so cabin filter that most people don't know about is right inside of here. There's a clip right here. I push this clip this way and just pulled it off. Look at the old filter. Looks like it might be on the dirty side. Grab the old one, bring that filter on out of there. And yeah, that's pretty dirty. So that's the old filter. Here's the new one. See the difference? Okay, now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this new filter, put it back in here. It just slides in. See, actually it's pretty easy to get back in, and the filter's in. That's pretty much it. Then you take the cover to the door. It's got a clip on one side, is that side, and put that back on. If I'm doing this right, yeah. Put that side back on and fasten it, and that's pretty much it. Only thing left is to put the glove box back. Okay, it's gonna go back on that rail, and you put it back in. Okay, well, actually that way, and it goes back in. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna reach my hand in there and I'm gonna reinstate this shock. Pause it for that because I need two.